Here's a funny story, Toyota Tundra. This light was done by the Gypsies at Home Depot. The Gypsies, they work Home Depot, Walmart, Target. They just put shellac on your lights and they want you $20. But the owner saw how bad it was, so he stopped them in his tracks. So if you can look here, the left side, which they didn't touch, needed work, obviously. And now when you come over to the right side, this is where they put the shellac. So I had to work that for a while. But the result is great. Look at this. So that side came out perfect, and you'll see the Gypsy work, I fixed that 100% too. It looks brand new. South Florida, Broward County, Miami-Dade County, Palm Beach County. Give us a call. We travel. We are mobile. We'll come to you, your home, your office. Look at that, perfection. 754-302-0769. Text us your pictures of your headlights. Call us. Remember, we come to you. 754-302-0769.